These are my kidney beans. I've added a little bit of salt. I'm going to boil it and then use it for the stew. These spices are going to form the base of my kidney bean stew. I'm going to blend the garlic, ginger and red peppers together, all nicely blended. So the beans is all ready, and when you mash it, you should see that everything is soft. There are no hard bits in there. That shows you that it's ready. I have my olive oil for everyday cooking. I'm going to allow the oil in there to boil a bit, and then I have my spices. So these are mixed herbs. This is thyme, parsley and rosemary. So I'm going to start off with these herbs. I learned this from an Asian man when I went to buy spices from his shop. Normally I start off with the onion first, but he advised that if you want a better taste, it's good to start off with the herbs and allow it to brown before you add your onions. So I'm going to do exactly that. Apart from the taste, he also said it will give the food a very nice aroma. So I'm going to allow it to brown a bit, and then I'll add my onions. So I've just added the onions to the herbs. So once this is browned very nicely, I'm going to add my blended ginger, garlic and red bell peppers. So I've just added tomato puree to the base. I will allow it to cook for like 10 minutes, and then I will add the raw tomatoes. So I've got raw tomatoes here that I will be adding. So I'm going to leave this out for like 30 minutes just to make sure that all the water is drained out, and before I put in the mackerel. My mackerel here, just add it. Then I'll give this another 10 minutes, after which I'll add the beans. Right, so my stew is literally done. I'm going to now add the beans, and because the beans is already well cooked, it means that once I mix them up, I will just leave them together for maximum 10 minutes and it will be done. Right, so the beans is now properly mixed up. I have added this spice called no to it, and I'm going to allow it to boil for another 10 minutes. I did not add any salt because I've already added a little bit of salt to the beans itself when I was cooking it separately. And normally the spices have enough salt in them anyway, so just to be on the safe side, I'm just going to leave it this way, and I'll see you in my next video.